be chilling with Cyber Swag. I got blessing they way on the track. Chilling on the podcast. Yeah, we talking, we don't stop now. This the podcast. I say this the podcast. We chilling and we talking. Hey, I got blessings, I be swag out. Yeah, this the podcast. This the podcast. Yeah, this the podcast. This the podcast. Yeah, this the podcast. This the podcast. Yeah, we chilling, we just talking.
See, it's rolling done, okay. Am I do that? Okay, first thing first, let me just do the announcements. Okay, there have been plenty of asks about Muthi we should create an intro and stuff like that. I don't know. I mean, like for me, one of the main reasons why, like I don't have like a particular intro. Hey guys, whatever. It's because one thing I think the backbone of the channel, we should be as authentic as we could be. Yeah, well. So for me, go by like hey, not that. Somehow I'm still not at the level where I'm ready for something like that, and it feels natural. Yeah, but hence why I was like, so if you guys maybe need and feel like okay, we can create some particular. Okay, besides even you guys, so on the comment section, just you can like interact with us, comment about any type of learning. Of introduction, just and whatever. Then we can add that on the videos as we proceed and so on. Because I think we are still on the build-up, right? Sure. So we are still moving. And thank you guys for the subscribes. Thank you for the like buttons. Thank you for the reactions. Like we've been getting a massive reactions from you guys, and we really appreciate that. So keep on hitting that like button. Keep on and making sure that you subscribe. Recommend the video to as many people as you know. Then we can keep it moving. Yeah. A new additional member. Okay. First prefer Jan. Bonko or Sunday. Sunday. How about Sunday? Yeah. Okay, because today is a Sunday, then we have Sunday. Still a Sunday before you guys. But okay, this is one of our guys. He's just a cool guy. Then we do everything with him. One of the greatest topics ever sent on the guys. There are solo for so long. Zodwa wabantu is back. Go on our screen with the hair reality show and everything. But okay, first thing first, who watches my reality shows again?
I'm not so just cut it down. Yeah, I think my reality show aweko as real as they.
That's what I was trying to get to, man. But one of the things, like, okay, I think if South Africa wants to Abuga right now, especially in the industry, one of the about most real and most true, Zodwa wabantu. Who competes with her?
Or when I have a cuckoo, that's
okay, that's meaning show. Like if maybe Bonga
she's doing it for cloud.
Yes. Yeah.
She's going to remember trend out Facebook, but Queen Minaj. Okay, she's always naked for no reason. She's twerking for animals, twerking about donkey.
But it's okay, man. What is being real? Starting now.
Yeah.
You no longer characterize it. Okay. If when that though, you're being real. Because I think if there's one bigger market man in the industry, but they are trying to move away from the standard office procedures. It have to be societally correct and everything and whatever. But let us be inclusive, and try to portray the actual life. Let's see, people about everything. For when and for when real to even like I'm sure those things they are apt. Both the queen and they are apt. And since the cool and sort of immense under those things. Mind it ban batching and not Gungani PSTV minds about much alive and what try. They reality shows and everything about. For when I'm good of that, I won't know that thing that got so. This actually reflects the life as a pillar about in every day.
My reality show.
Magenda in like a spirit. Near some acquisitions I see. Zodwa wabantu vita kuku says it. When I'm good of that, Magenda so. Low come I'm ready. Because okay, one of the greatest arguments that corner would say every person low influential or maybe a very successful business in the game or 7 so much.
I think isibala abamnyama vele
You believe there, man.
isibala abamnyama except ngoba successful there has to be some natural
But okay, man.
ufuna ngabe uthwele kuna something nje le asho ukuthi usho ukuthi a black person akho nje kuba successful without usolo ukuthi ucorrupt or imenyoka or whether some shady shit nje.
Okay man, group obona labelungu kukhona
uyima khona ulunga wefa cha Pravin Godani ngathi uthwele
awusolo Pravin uthwele
oh when you saw us build Pravin
okay man, but for what okay man, I'm not saying it's bad 12, but for whatever reason I said gonna some shady shit that they are doing behind the scenes.
Everyone is doing some shady shit, bro.
That's what I was saying.
But it's not TikTok, like it.
But maybe for Africans, TikTok, that's the shady shit they are doing.
About shady shit, maybe about maybe you are creating someone saying, my pipeline is easy. Maybe you are paying money, matenda ethical. Maybe understand. I'm not getting an ethic because one day you have but like you're getting money from supernatural powers.
Like you don't believe in those kind of things. It's not coming. I believe in 10 bad send so much to get ahead.
I believe it.
Serious? We are so innocent.
But so the serious notes are.
We are
still alive,
Muthi.
Because besides, man.
Okay, boy.
That's why I begin with today.
Okay, besides, no, Muthi.
What is the danger?
Mark say, no, I'm Muthi. Mawuphethe umkhuhlane usiwe kuthiwa mawuphethe umkhuhlane
but that's of the day Muthi.
Mina sekuthi ukuthi ungakhona control ukuthi imali wena ushama imali ngemuthi.
No.
Ngeke kwele sikusho lo into ekuthiwa ukuthi uthwala inyoka ukuthi inyoka yami imali le.
But mina I'm saying like Bexa show when I'm saying that these days we are seeing a lot of especially young people in the industry by nyanga and so on. Do you believe it's just a coincidence?
Oh papa no masingakhutani manje lo sha 2024 so ngesesingangoma ngitshela nazi masingakhutani manje
but mina somehow I'm thinking ukuthi lento le akusitsha akukaveli ukubavuka abantu bafuna badinyana
Bye.
somehow lo Muthi khona la kwasebenza khona
yeah there was a time
khona la Muthi la kwasebenza khona that's why some robot like this.
But I'm like bro these days I take umncane umdzala bangathiwa sidine uranaka uthwasa sibusiso lona
that's the fucking shit I hate about this thing. Bro, most of these people are just arrogant.
Isingikubalele mina ma celebrate la dress nje Zodwa abantu uPoiti Thulo Poiti sangoma bro
Poiti
yeah LKG le Ranto Khanyako ngudine uranaka ngulethe amakhene Tech Generation mfato Kadav
no what you trust TV ngasi
from Tanzania ngijaba celebrate la tangoma so you can see who's the tangoma nganani bro like
bese sobuya like bantu aba even ngola makhaya
bantu aba unknown mina ngabala kude likhona la around lelingana
sangoma and stuff like that's why I'm like say for whatever reason I mean I feel like do you really believe or khona umuntu ongathi the person is making 5 figures maybe a month.
Sure, bro.
Then I'm like, fuck this shit, I'm going on the I mean.
Hey man. Party. I don't know who said this. If there's a group of people following a certain cult, it means something is happening.
Yeah, that's him. That's what I'm saying. Something is happening.
I mean, I'm not saying it's not happening. I'm just saying I do not believe that everyone who is successful is doing that thing.
Okay, do you believe it? Okay, but like us guys, see, we are heading to success. Like it we are not doing anything.
Success. It's either siyatwala or khona la siyakhona.
Must on the success state. Ngabe senthi satwala. I'm just joking guys. But yeah, something is happening behind the scenes, you know. Like
something is happening, bro. Like last South Africa segment sondule ma devil worshippers.
really
Imagine.
Awulati.
no.
But vule some mapheli lockdown.
Okay, like bese sithanda zesingi lapho. Like kune Bible when you are what do we
It's
what's
the
the
same
procedure?
thing. What you do in this thing is just that we praise Satan and ngapho we denounce.
Kune
God.
Bible yakhona.
Sure, obvious. I think
Then-
it's just it picks
But
up-
the question is, it's in, like Satan, you would believe would you get some special what
yeah, like Satan is so that deceiver into good things. Like but like mangibuka le video lapha. Basi most of them are successful. Balabanga esondweni. Bantu laba
and mina
destitute like the poorest of the poorest. Basemasondweni, bro. And
then
it's
we
mostly
show-
females. Bokuwa masonto agcwele abantu besifazane. Kancane. Like inombolo i-ratio yabantu besifazane nebesilisa esondweni iyachuza. Abantu besilisa.
But this is about believe that you busy.
Even ngisho evening isithaveni. Emacheri nemajita iso. Majita so ethaveni.
But the farm was kuthiwa manje maningi than mama out.
Yeah. That's true.
In the
So,
way.
that's true.
But
So,
is it true though?
kutheni?
Ukuthi
Manje
manje maningi
Yeah.
How?
Apparently machera dala kakhulu.
How?
I
Like
don't know. Yathi why maningi. Lokunye survival of the fittest. Like machita because I would call that. Machita
I'm more
they
exposed
die
to
at
more
young
than-
age because
Oh,
of
you don't-
depression. They
Yeah.
die
But
because machita
lifespan
lifespan machita nje like
is short than
life orientation. Yeah, yakhomba ukuthi lifespan. Buka la makhaya. Mangaki makhaya la kusele bobabe khona. Ngekho bomake. Ngibale emakhaya amaningi amakhaya sebengabomake.
But okay, I can make an argument on that one. Most of
Ngisho makhaya labe nawo bobaba, hayi makhaya la futhi manje. Buka. Ngakubalela plenty. Buka anganani.
But okay, man. But I feel magunga ngakhi lapho sithi semngcwabeni tholo ngcwatsha a male person. Babul Kai. Guga ngakhi.
Shokusaba shona.
Mina that's what I'm saying. Most emakhala khona. Vele aqala ngaba bantu besilisa manje kuse. Bafuna ukuthengela ipolo, bahambe ba flash icash to labantu labancane laba sebapakile because man besifazana vele basheshe bamacholo than mame in terms of 50
Ihlolo sile bashona then sibona le icheri lokwa kwasiphamandla kwatiphayo ngisekusena ile icheri kuthi haye isicheri ambe boy bengitipha
and nasombole lo muntu like
mangibona icheri nzala njani kuse even nami mangi approach ngicela ngibuthi umyango like hey sisters
nasatshela you'll be surprised dude.
Oh, na 17.
How?
Mina was
Well. So, usi into lento yamachera machora fasting na. Usi lo wechera kungidlila imali. Yong. Lapho
ngibali longadliwi imali vele umenza into machela.
I would say.
Lo nje ukuthi accept me. Angase ngadliwi imali.
raise your hand. Angase.
Wena wakonfessa la on the platform.
Kuza ngase ngayilanza. Akudiswa ilanza.
But I think for whatever reason let's say like lenza mali you can never run away from it.
Abakutiza kunye man.
Utiza kanye babe. Noma
Awukutiza
ngabe umntwana wakho umthengele airtime, utiza lo. Noma ngabe umntwana wakho noma ngabe umnika imali. No. So this thing yabo wrong nabona is relative, yabo. So if wena uqhansi wrong, I wrong.
Usho ngani mkhabetha akho?
Yebo.
Usutiza now you feel like man.
Yebo.
It's not like you are forced.
Now, mina I'm a good Samaritan. I feel like yabo.
Then you pray.
Ngenda le mali yami ngiyamniketa. Wathi usenga bathi tell wami uphusha ngisabe wasiphi.
Akusinkinga le. Akusinkinga usotshela.
Uthi ngomntana inhliziyo.
No, fuck that shit man.
Akusinkinga lokusumnikile. Yathi ngingophi ne? Wena umnene inhlito lekhulekile. Kuthi yena wendane side ngeke ukhona ukuvika.
Ngoba bayithatha imali akaye kwenye indoda.
Noma yale ndicaba wrong. Wena bomdizelelana. Mangabe
Kuthi
umdiza.
siyathandzana.
Hayi, mangabe umdiza usiyasazana kumele ukubhoda lesho uthandzana nabanye abantu.
No.
Unless la umdiza ukuthi akuthanze. Yabo la iba wrong la.
No, Mkhabe, it's like yabo man. Nalo mundu sigu relationship.
Yeah.
We are dating.
Yeah.
So I'm doing these things because we are in this relationship. We are under the assumption that we are protecting this together.
Yes.
We are building something together. So if we are to talk it makes me question, have you ever been here?
But you
Because of the
could never know that.
Yeah?
You could never
I would know
like ungachita clean ungafind out. Then what then?
Fuck the shit again.
Una place yazi ethi sala ku. Face approach man.
Yeah.
Nawo noma approach ngemali vele.
Vele uthini manje.
Expecting man, expecting man.
But mina ngisho ukuthi
But okay man, asisinaku I'm approaching my
So njengoba
maybe awusebenzi stuff yabona. Then we are grow like let's say the channel ya grow to something bigger. Then you start making some serious cash. Ngeke uhlala una elevate umuntu wakho. Yabona? Utokuthubela naye to the level osokiwe like baby semina something manje. Yabona? Yenda kinzima. So le umuntu uyangakujwayela. Yabona? Abathi and when the thing utena ngekuthi accept you were with me when I was down.
Yabo. Ingiyangileyo. Start doing this because of things.
Start
doing this because
no. That's the fucking shit they ruin everything. Accept. Meaning I'll say the truth now. Yabona? We're like, no man, we have to find a better way. No, we have to speak the truth. Good and a certain sacrifice or and then offering for the sake of it. I'm just doing this because you are.
But
let me say, man, okay, my time take. Good enough camera, let's accept special. Basically, do not have expectations. You cannot be seated in a position of specialty without expectations. For the fact when I was special, it means good. I hold you to a particular position. So, which means look, I hold you. Those are the expectations. Expectations that bear to that particular position. So if you thought we are when that thing like the rest of everyone, I can understand if Bengon Nigeta just again very obligations towards me. Fuck that shit.
Man, if I'm using this thing. This thing expectation very ngeke ukhona kuyi-minimize, understand? Ngeke ukhona kuyi-minimize.
Isija
So let me expectation.
Yeah,
ukhona kuyi-minimize. Live la. So let noma uyenda yabo mawudizela umntana umdizele with an expectation ukuthi whatever happens understand?
Fuck that shit.
Yeah,
fuck that shit. It's the thing. Fuck that shit. Okay,
utogcina sembulala mncane umuntu wesifazane.
Okay,
let's just say lo muntu ekhane umdizele, let's just say unika imali ne 500, let's just say usacrifice alithing ufuna ukuthenga alithing lelisha, so say lo mntana ukuze ngithanze kakhulu simkhiphe na 500 ngimnika buka achithe lo mntana awusana thing wena ngohlala ngamzondi lo muntu loyo ngohlala but if lento leyo uyende kusuccess whatever happens understand? 500 uyayidla udizela le indoza wendani it's fine, understand?
Okay, let's flip the script. Simple. Yeah. Let's flip the script. That one. I need the landlord chair me. That one. I'm gonna get sex. Just because she loves me.
Yeah.
I told him no, just sex because I'm tired.
Yeah.
Then I decide to need player and sex. If you decide to come in the car, it's my fucking shit.
Yeah.
I'm too negative.
No, why okay, why you can't.
Fuck, you know.
Why you can't?
Kinda e.
Ukata me.
Hinnyele
Awesome.
Asafia.
why you tikanda wona
Now ngiyaprekisa nasuka lapho ngiyajumpa. Nakasuka yena ungenzela ikhodi. Ungibambe mina. No. Dude, when you decided to give me a pussy, I decided to utilize the pussy at my discretion. Every time good and the good willing when
we're talking about good teaser la.
Yes, good teaser is part of a gift and
Masa sikhuluma ngesexy bro.
Man, good teaser is a gift. Okay, we don't give her in.
It depends ukuthi ngigifta ngani.
I-sex angithi.
Yeah.
Asitambi decide ungigifta nge-sex.
No, yabo icala kuba inkinga lapho khani sex kumele kube igift understand. Sex yaqala by gift ne. So this person wakho mangabe afila ngazuza awendi kahle those lawo malanga lawo, which means awutholi sex understand. Se lento lesecala ibanjani seyiba wrong. Understand? Lapho when you have to do something to now, which means unequal relationship, you have to pay for the sex, understand? But utiza it's just something left swung in cars. But like you said,
meaning I'm asking good for my females, what's their gifts in a relationship?
I don't know. I once dated a chick who was giving. Sure, and it was fine, bro.
Kube wena wathi
For me, like
was that a serious relationship?
To her it was.
To you?
To me, I never take this thing serious.
Thank you, it's fine. Yabo. Kube because anti wena usimathi asisebenze ngala individual expectations, yabo. Wena uthatha leyo mali ekadizele ngayo, yabo. Akhanze so poster or whatever wena in na some other bitches ngale mali yakhe.
Okay. Utawufila njani?
So fine like that.
Befuna be fine. No, this thing yabo kudependa ukuthi yena uyendelene into le yabo. I would understand manga kwathi understand because akazi ukuthi mina ngikele la relationship. Maybe mina
I understand.
When you understand why you want to understand because they don't know
understand.
Book, it's not a problem I can't understand. Manga kwathi it's fine.
Yes.
It's fine, understand? At least kube le mali uyifaka in terms and conditions like you cannot spend this cash here and here. Understand? And when you say no cash man, bona uswenda.
Le mali uchengenze ngenza into engiyifunayo nje. Ingahluphisa kanti sekhathethize labanye abantu.
Then uthi wena you can take that cash uhambe yo spend ngamanye ama girlfriends wakho.
Sure.
Then she has to understand.
She doesn't have to understand. Understand? But it's what it is.
It's what it is. Then nakasuka lapho asusa drum. We are fight. But my family, you know, but you understand how many? It's not understandable. How many times?
Just when I point down my liver was a garden.
Okay.
Point down belitsi. Lekan utiza without my expectation that too much. Like even like I said, this cashing is sacrifice. It's like you are kumbulinyanga ifake imali emlilweni.
Yeah.
It's like ngifake imali emlilweni, understand?
Whatever this manje, angaspect uzongchithela.
Yeah, muwazi lo mjizulu ukuthi ungacheat mntana. Le kana cheat sewutaba buhlungu.
So uthatha babulala lapho.
Into ya utaba bulala lapho. Ufila ngathi amona lo muntu.
Mina okay. Mina I do understand.
Mani kuse. Okay, le mali nakika ngifuna konke angifuni lento ngayithenga, ngifuna imali yami baba.
Uqala lapho lento selanza amawiva akho selanza.
Okay, but except mina I do understand into yakho. Mina ngasathi ngifuna get to the end result. Yabona? My end result wena uthi yonke lento le kuze ngingafaki my feelings you're trying to avoid kwendeka ma gender based violence and stuff like that.
No, like meaning ngizama ukuthi say this thing mhlambe le ma gender based violence
because
iyarapta lapha.
Yabona?
Iyarapta lapha.
That's right. So
I feel like you own this person you provided indle mhlala uyasuka la kami ngimchithela. I'm like bro lo muntu umhlalisela ka cause nawe uhlala khona understand. It's not like when ugaseso wakho la nawe vele uhlengeke ukakho na uhlela understand.
So that's why I'm like me when I thought you say if sine bese ngakhona kuma studyisha loku nga attach is too much feelings kule blessings and stuff
yabona no celebrate on that bro like meditate exenovu meditate
then we can avoid all this la end results then it's get me now manje the very same thing sayindiwa yi out
like Shabby James.
Nokovici. Hayi,
Nokovici.
Umsante khona.
Sayindiwa yi out le nto le. Yene chairman. Emache wona masewa actor out. Yabona? Everyone comes to a case emache. Yeah, you were wrong. What why angathi umuntu yeba wena nakudizela lo mjito. Why didn't you master your own feelings? Why every time the script siba different ma belong a case ma out?
Mina angishelo ma out na ma ina I'm just talking about my relationships in general.
Yes.
It has to work like that.
But that's
it
not
doesn't
how...
matter. I know his system was a he sympathizes with more mature than mature.
Thank you. Woo! Ngiyabonga.
But it doesn't change the fact ukuthi
so if there's nama starisha nama feelings wethu nama attachments.
Avoid a lot of problems, bro. Like a lot. Like bo, let's just say udizela umuntu wakho, ne? Mawumdizela umuntu wakho usuka uyocheata. Lento le ingadevastate kakhulu, understand? Unless
so when are you saying ukuthi ucheata ku wrong, uthi ucheata ku wrong or right?
Ucheata.
If you get
ngeke ukuthi cheata ku
Mshilo baseqale ukuthi lento ya wrong na right. It depends ukuthi wena nikuphi nalomlo.
let's say you are in a serious relationship.
Why would I do that? Yeah, okay. Ngiyamdiza
Yes.
I cheat.
Yes.
Obvious I'll be devastated, understand?
Right noma ku cheat.
Ngadevastate umuntu okuchithelo, angidevastate umuntu usibengimdizela ungicheat.
Well, when are you saying with the on a non-serious relationship, cheating is fine?
Cheating is fine. Sure, we're not serious. Why you cheat? Hey, book. Mina yathi ngithi angabi isivalo ukuthi ukadibane nesoulmate yakho. What if soulmate yakho is out there? Mina I'm just here for a cookie, understand? Wena maybe ufuna soulmate. So, mawuchita lapho ngathola soulmate, ube grand. Understand? Angabi ngini isivalo salo. Thank you.
Ungavimbela abantwana ukuthi
Ungavimbela umshado
tetelana abantwana bezekile. Tetelana abantwana bezekile.
Laveni ngindakhuluma nga perspective match.
Noma sikayikhuluma ngeperspective match, understand? Mature valid this thing.
But the question is, do you let labantu bathi ukuthi
asikho serious? I try as much as possible. It's like
I
can tell. Okay, to me I use this thing. Okay, but
never situations like say where no I try doesn't say. It's like somebody over like elento lo muntu yakhupha asakuzama ngakumala you awuzami kwalumuntu
umuntu
you just mawala umuntu uyamala.
No, but you have to
is into it.
Bo. This thing is delicate, understand? Ngawuphila hey ntwana mani ngidlala abanye macherry man that's
but don't you think ukuthi doing it like that they avoid a lot of this mala and lama violence and that
lama violence
because that's the problem is okay, I've been talking to someone. I mentioned someone. Yeah, but
I mentioned.
I want to mention someone.
Yeah. No, who's that like your consent check? Then the person is like, dude, I was trying to fix something. Right now, the guy I'm with right now. Yeah, but I'm trying to fix the past relationship so that I could be good with the current relationship.
How are you fixing the past?
That's the thing. I'm like him in accept. Do you understand, Muthi? The more when you're trying to fix this thing, the more when you create damage. You could have easily, we knows I'm going to fix it now. And I'm so full and sabe. I saw him carry the stupid. You done.
That's next point.
You know what?
Yeah.
You done. See, I told you I but in the end now, but ease into it. But when they're in,
like he's still in my emotions that are my buying.
But I think so. I mean, I don't know like that. I've went through a breakup. I Google Mundu one chair from a get go. Except
that phone.
I'm done. Yeah, I could die once. Then from there I focus on go heal and get back to myself. But the time when you look at like, yeah, we can fix this thing and whatever. Then I'm going back and forth. One moment I feel like you're gone, one moment you're here. Then I'm trying. When you hear, I'm like, okay, then we are going back to where we were. I'm trying to rebuild back to then put your striker foot.
But in Danzi puts a less lender who's focus and then never show about instead which is focus and it never tend
we see I'm trying to say this. I was trying to
meditate, bro. Like it's enough to meditate.
Yes, that's the thing that's in Zamagu Sendai. Nizama send them a robot. We are not robots,
then you suffer the consequences.
The sound I'm not a violent guy.
I'm like, this thing is simple, man. I say, you understand? Maybe I'm your relator to someone. You could never know this person 100%. Understand? Wekala lumdo unengondo yake. You understand? Which means lengondo yake iyamtshela ukuthi ended 1, 2, 3. Understand? So now nengondo yakho. Understand? So ingqondo idale ngendlela ukuthi in certain situation kunetinto lengitendako to protect myself ne once ngifila ngazuza awungitsanzi ne I'm not a cheater natural ne but maybe bo wakhe isinaro mthondo nakho of a perfect relationship ne kusho lenye cherry isho something beautiful isi the cherry la mcondo into emosha ama relationship am ne la mcondo nami ne perfect relationship ne like ne script ne scenario like so once le script sami wangabe sisodlala le role ledlala le script lengisibhalile understand I feel like you're not enough I feel like bese le relationship yamosha because la mcondo nami I have this guy who's doing 1 2 3 like uslo cherry umsengela ama teddy bear umsengela ama flowers every day ufaka ama flowers ma 100 rand shoot every day same mall understand once that thing I send again I'm fucked.
But I was telling someone I would say one of the things there's fantastic avoid about my relationships. I feel like just too much in the topic of relationships, but it's fine. It's what do you call this thing? Blueprint.
Yeah.
Listen now. M17. Like we don't have to design my systems and design my procedures and so on when it comes to my relationship. M17, that is fine. You can design that thing. Because then M17, the aim is to make profits. Then you have to make sure that you control most of the parts that interacts there to go there after what could be at the end result. But when it comes to my relationship, let's say, then they try to be correct, try to follow a certain script and not try. It's fucked up because in relationship it's an investment of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you control to what level the actions that is perceived. But my relationships, like say, at the end of the day, relationships always stay relationships. How many books have you read about the breakups, good relationships, and so on and so on? But people have they learned anything?
But I'm reading this beautiful book, yeah? It's a slower side. If you don't have to make a decision, then don't.
You can never make a decision. Not taking a decision is taking a decision.
But if you don't have to make a decision, but see, by the Gilbert's theory.
I be chillin' with Zodwa. I got blessing that we on the track. Chillin' on the podcast. Yeah, we talking, we done start now. This the podcast. I say this the podcast. We chillin' and we talking. Hey, I got blessings, I be swagged out. Yeah, this the podcast. This the podcast. Yeah, this the podcast. This the podcast. Yeah, this the podcast. This the podcast. Yeah, we chillin', we just talking.